Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Curtis. 1 year ago, you came in for a hair transplant. We recreated your frontal hairline, and I will definitely be showing before pictures. He had absolutely no hair here.
Yeah.
He tried SMP before coming to us, wasn't exactly in love with it, so came to us afterwards, and we reinforced this entire frontal area, recreated his temples. And I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to show you his pretty much invisible scar line. And this is all about expectations. Usually I tell my patients you're going to get 35% density. Definitely got a lot more than that. But he does have more of that 4C hair texture, very thick and coarse hair, which works in his benefit. Today he does come back for a second procedure to reinforce this area, to bring his hairline just a little bit lower on the sides and square it off just a little bit more. After thinking about it, he wanted to just fine tune his hairline. So tell us about your experience over the year. Tell us about your journey so far.
Yeah, so far it's been great. Like everything is, what I liked was everything I experienced was pretty much like listed on the aftercare instructions. So there was nothing that happened that was unexpected. So that was pretty good. And then everything's just happened as expected. It's been pretty good.
And what do your friends and family say about your hairline?
Yeah. When my family first saw it, they were like, "Wow, it's like I look like I was back in high school again," or something like that. So yeah, that was pretty cool. So.
And you definitely had lost your hair about halfway back.
Oh yeah. I was like, it was over for me. So yeah, you brought me back from the dead, basically. So.
And your hairstylist, can he even find the scar?
No, especially not now. No, with my hair at this length, no, definitely not. Yeah.
So he is coming in for a second coat of paint, is what we call it. Anybody who promises you 100% density in one procedure is probably just telling you a story or a little fib. But true expectations, making my sites as close together as possible. We're going to follow him all day today through his second journey, but I did want to go ahead and show off this first procedure, and you look absolutely amazing, and we're going to get started.